In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book a flight on Google Flights. Navigating the skies starts on the ground, and in this digital age, it's never been easier to book your next adventure or business trip from the comfort of your computer or mobile device. Google Flights streamlines the process, offering a powerful, user-friendly interface that simplifies how you search for, compare, and book flights. Let's dive right in. First things first, we're going to start by visiting Google Flights. For that, you'll want to open your web browser and type in https://www.google.com/travel/flights, or simply search for Google Flights in your search engine of choice. Once you've hit enter, you're on your way. Upon reaching Google Flights, you'll notice the option to sign in at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on the sign in button is your next step. Why sign in? Well, signing in with your Google account lets you receive personalized recommendations based on your past searches, sync your searches across devices, and more. It's a step you don't want to skip for the best experience. After clicking the sign in button, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. If you use multiple Google accounts, make sure you select the one you want to use for this session. It could be your personal, work, or any account that you prefer for travel planning. Once you've selected your account, enter your Google password. We all know the drill here. Input your password carefully and move on to the next step by clicking Next. If your browser or device saves passwords, you might be able to skip this step altogether, but always ensure your information is secure. Having signed in, it's time to get into the nitty-gritty of booking your flight. Google Flights' user-friendly interface allows for an intuitive experience. You can specify your destination right off the bat. If you're overwhelmed by the options or seeking inspiration, Google Flights offers suggestions, including popular destinations from your location. With your destination decided, the next step involves the crucial details, selecting your departure and return dates. Google Flights offers a comprehensive calendar view, showing you the prices for different days at a glance. This feature is incredibly useful for those with flexible schedules looking to snag the best deal. After selecting your dates, click on Done. This confirms your choices and brings you one step closer to finding the perfect flight. It's now time to hit the search button. This action prompts Google Flights to scour through countless flight options to present you with a list that meets your criteria. Here, you can filter results based on various parameters like price, duration, airlines, and stops to zero in on the flight that best suits your needs and preferences. Once you've browsed through the options and made your selection, clicking on your chosen flight will take you deeper into the specifics. You'll see detailed information about flight times, layovers, the airline, and even the type of aircraft you'll be flying on. The next step is crucial, clicking on Continue. This action doesn't conclude your booking within Google Flights, but rather transitions you over to the airline's website. Why? Because Google Flights is, at its core, a powerful search tool designed to help you find flights. The actual booking happens through the airline or a partnered booking agent. This ensures that your reservation is secured directly with the service provider. You'll find yourself on the airline's booking page. Here you need to carry on with the registration if you're not already a member or logged in. Fill out passenger details, choose seating preferences, and complete the booking and payment process according to their system. It's always a good idea to double check all the details before confirming your booking, and there you go. You've successfully navigated Google Flights to book your next trip. It's a seamless process that opens up a world of possibilities right at your fingertips. From here, you can proceed to manage your booking directly with the airline, select seats, or even meal preferences if the service is offered. Remember, planning is key to a stress-free travel experience. Google Flights is a tool that puts a wealth of information and options at your disposal, but always make sure to review all the details, especially when it comes to cancellation policies and flight change options. Safe travels, and may your adventures be many and your flights smooth. Whether you're off to a bustling city, tranquil beach, or somewhere completely off the beaten path, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single click. Happy flying!